Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video we're doing an update on my daily dividends portfolio. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get straight on into this. So guys, as you can probably tell if you watched one of my daily dividends portfolio updates before, I'm filming this video a bit differently. I'm now doing the recording and the voiceover on my phone as the old method was taking way too much time. We're going to do a quick overview of the pie as a whole, and then let's have a look at the dividends we've got this week, and we'll just see which stocks were performing the best and the worst. So as you can see, this portfolio is down nearly 90p now. What's actually down on last week, where it's down 68p. I was hoping we could go into the green, and the portfolio is looking very good through the week, but towards the end of the week it did take a bit of a nosedive. We've still not got this dividend income coming through into the pie, what I find a bit weird. I don't know why, but it is going into my free funds, so I'm happy with that. Our free funds are up by the amount of dividends we got last week. We currently, in this pie, we invested £105, but it only chose to invest £104 as the way it works out the stamp duty and the way it does the fractional shares. As you can see here, these are all the stocks in this pie at the moment. We've got quite a few losers. PepsiCo's down quite a lot. Vanguard's down a lot. IBM is down 8%, absolutely ridiculous, sorry. There's quite a few shares down here, as you can see. And although there's a lot of shares down, we do have more shares in the green this week, what's very positive. We've got all these shares here. I'll show you an Excel sheet of all these shares put together at the end of the video. But because, even though the market's closed, because of the FX impact, it is a bit different to it is on screen at the moment. So I am aware of that. It's the closest I can get to it, because the FX impact is constantly changing. Right, let's hop on to my dividend payments for this week and see how much we got in dividends. So last week we actually got only one dividend. This dividend was for AGNC Investment, and it was paid on the 11th of Feb. It was an ordinary dividend, and it was 1 penny or £0.01. They paid a dividend of 10 cents a share, and we have far less than one share, so we got, like I said, 1 penny. It's a bit funny, we only got one dividend last week. This pie is called Almost Daily Dividends, so we should be getting a few more dividends every week than this. This is maybe because we've had to catch up with all the ex-dividends, and we've just had a few early ones through, and hopefully in the next week or two we should start getting dividends most days. Right, let's now have a look at some of the biggest losers and some of the biggest gainers of this week. The biggest gainers for this week was Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT. Caterpillar manufactures heavy machinery like diggers and dump trucks. Their share price was up 2.5% this week, and it was up as high as $205 at the highs, but it has dropped that down to $202. If you look at the 1 month, you can see our average share price here, what is currently $193, and it did have lows last week of $181, so we were down on it last week, and it has come up now, what is very positive. I hope this share can keep performing well in the future, and I really think it will do. It's got a good dividend yield of 2.13% that beats the S&P 500 average of 2%. Right, now let's go have a look at some of the biggest losers for this week. So after being positive on PepsiCo last week, it took a bit of a dive this week, down 3.69%, and we're now negative on it. We're down 8 pence on the share. This isn't our biggest loss overall, but it is this week one of our biggest loss, so I'll show this share now. Our average share price is $134, and Pepsi is now still trading at $134, but we are, 43 cents down on the cent amount. PepsiCo, I think, is a good stock long term. They pay a very good dividend yield of 3%, and if they return to their pre-pandemic highs, that is a 5% gain for us. I can't see it exactly on here, but that'd be a good gain for us. PepsiCo hopefully will pick up in the next few weeks, and we can get positive on this stock once again. So guys, before I end the video, let's have a look at my Excel PowerPoint for this daily dividends portfolio. I'm sorry if the audio's been chopping and changing throughout the video. I've been switching between my Mac and my phone, and hopefully this new recording method of recording these daily dividends videos isn't compromising the quality too much, but it's saving me a lot of time and allowing me to invest that time into other videos on my channel. So let's have a look at this Excel PowerPoint. As we can see, last week our lost shares were down £1.74, but this week they're down now £2.17. However, our gain shares were only up £1.06 last week, and our gain shares are now up £1.26 this week. So we are more up on our gain shares, but we're heavily down on our loss shares now. Our total loss is 91p down. This is a bit different to what you will have seen on the portfolio, but the best way I can do it is like this when the market is closed, but the FX impact still impacts it. We can see that compared to last week, we are down. I thought we might go positive, and it was looking very strong through the week, but it crashed towards the end of the week and a lot of our shares dropped. Hopefully we can get back towards our last week amount in the next week coming, or closer to that £0 amount. Our dividend income for this week was only a penny, and it puts our dividend income overall at 4p. This isn't actually showing up in the pie, but it is showing up in our free funds, so that is good. Our lost stocks, we now only have 27 lost stocks, so 3 of our lost stocks went positive, and we also have 22 gain stocks now. So stocks with no change is only at 1 stock now. That's good that we have more gain stocks, but now it shows that our lost stocks are hurting us. We've got a few lost stocks that are down nearly 20p, what on a small investment is quite heavy. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this week's daily dividends portfolio update. Do leave a like and subscribe if you did enjoy, and I hope to see you again on the channel soon. Goodbye. We got 2 minutes now before you call my ass again. Yeah, I switched you on the speakerphone.